When we talk about the vertical alignment of text, we mean where the text sits from the top to the bottom of the page. As you can see here, you've got your page title and author name. A lot of people will add in manual returns, things like that, to change the alignment a bit. However, this is really bad for formatting. What you want to do is go to Page Layout and then the small arrow on the bottom right hand corner. You then want to go to Layout, and then where it says Page Vertical Alignment, you want to change this to either the top, center, justified, or bottom. Justified means that it will spread out the text from the top to the bottom of the page, center, in the center, bottom, at the bottom of the page, etc. Select the option that you want to go with and then make sure that this is applied to the whole document, and then press OK. As you can see now, the vertical alignment of the text has changed from the top of the page to the center of the page. However, it has affected all of the text in the document. If you don't want this to happen, then please see our other videos on how to change the vertical alignment of text using section breaks.